Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. So welcome to my latest video, which is a day in the life, a productive day in my life. You know when you have those days where you feel like you got a lot done. This was one of them days, so mashallah, I was pretty impressed. Wish that could happen every day, but I'll take what I can. So it was quite a dull day. For breakfast, I made some cheesy toasties for the kids. I added some chopped tomatoes and onions. So I just put some spread on the bread and little muffins. I did the chopped tomatoes and onions, topped with some grated cheddar. And then sprinkled on some mixed herbs. Put them in the oven for a couple of minutes. For myself, I felt like a paratha with some egg. So Nusaiba was helping me make it, bless her. In my egg, I added a bit of chili as well. They look delightful, don't they, mashallah? So first of all, you cook the paratha. And then make the omelette. And then when it's almost cooked, chuck the paratha on top, flip it over, add some cheese and then fold it over. And trust me when I say it's bloody delicious. Mashallah. Why is that funny? I don't know, because I'm talking about food. So one thing I've been meaning to do, this is our downstairs toilet. So the mirror that we've got, I did like a DIY kind of border. It's in a previous video from ages ago. The makeover video that I did for our downstairs cloakroom. I think it's called something like that. Anyway, I just wanted to change the border because it was a little bit messy. So I just gave the mirror a bit of a clean. I bought these gold stickers from IKEA ages ago on offer and they've just been sat in the house. I thought they matched the toilet or the cloakroom nicely with the gold theme. So I thought let's stick them on the mirror. And I didn't stick them that beautifully, but to me it looks okay. And then I was tidying the living room, giving it a good old mop, something that I do kind of every Sunday anyway. Sprayed my sofas with a nice aroma. And it was raining a lot at this point. Since the kids were going back to school, they needed some lunch boxes. So I went to Asda, picked them up. One of the kids requested these gulfis. They loved the mango flavour. Then I came back, sorted out lunch. One of those quick freezer lunches. And I was really in the mood for some cinnamon rolls. So I've never actually baked cinnamon rolls. I've made puff pastry ones, which is like a quick hack for cinnamon rolls, but I've never made like proper authentic with the yeast. So I thought this is something I want to do. With the weather changing, we're going into autumn. They're just perfect, aren't they? So I went ahead and I baked my first lot of cinnamon rolls. They were really delicious, mashallah. I slightly overcooked them, but they were still delicious, mashallah. And I look forward to baking them again. So I'm just mixing everything together. I bought some easy bake yeast from Asda and that worked perfectly. So once I'd mixed all the dough and everything, it was still a bit sticky, so I made sure I added some flour as I was rolling out the dough. And then I went ahead and rolled it out, roly-poly. Then I spread some softened butter on top of the rolled out dough, a nice even layer. And then mix some light brown soft sugar with some ground cinnamon. And added that on top of the butter layer. And then went ahead and rolled up our cinnamon rolls. And then I cut the roll into 12 pieces. This bit was very satisfying. And added them to a baking tin lined with greaseproof paper. Covered that and allowed it to rise for about an hour. While that was rising away, proving away, I made dinner. So I've got some oil and sliced onions in a pan. Cook the onions until they're soft or a little bit brown. Garlic and ginger paste. I was all out of tomatoes, so I used a tin of chopped tomatoes, salt, spices. Added in some chicken breast pieces. Cook until the chicken breast pieces are white and they've released their water. I added some extra water. Brought it to the boil and then simmer for about 25 minutes. And by that time, the cinnamon rolls had increased in size, so I put them in the oven. We had our dinner. And then I made the topping for the cinnamon rolls. So it's just some icing sugar, vanilla extract and some milk. Mix it all together. And then I poured it over the delightful cinnamon rolls. Finished off my day with the cinnamon rolls and a mug of tea. It was absolutely delightful, mashallah. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Jazakallah, thank you so much for watching. I hope it motivates you to be productive too a little bit. Inshallah, see you really soon. Take care. Salam. Bye.